Hi guys, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates. So, patients come through to us, as always, feeling really blocked up. Now, looking at this plug straight away, you can kind of see, I'm not sure if you can see yourself, but basically I know this is kind of going to be quite a tricky one to do. It's these kind of plugs, they can be quite crumbly, you can see already I'm trying to get a suction grip on the front here, and it's not hard, but it's not soft, and you can see the little bits kind of breaking off as we're trying to move this plug. Yeah, you can see how kind of hard the top surface of this is. I don't think this is going to come out with suction alone, so we're just trying little spots of the wax here, just to try and get it to move. We're trying to loosen this plug away, and you can see it's pretty full in there. So we're swapping to the trusty Rosen inserter. I find this really good for these type of plugs. With these harder kind of, this harder wax that you see here, what we're trying to do here is just gently kind of slide between the ear canal and the wax plug. And if we can just kind of turn that Rosen inserter into the wax, as you can see here, we've already started moving this plug out. And it's actually removed. I don't think that's it. I don't think that's the whole plug. I think there was a little bit left behind there. Here we go. So a nice, you can see some of that dead skin kind of still holding on to the back of that plug there. So, yep, as I thought, we've got some left in this ear canal. You can see it's all really stuck to the ear canal walls. It's all kind of holding in place. Now, we've gone back to the suction with a standard size tube. Now you can see that it's basically a layer of dead skin underneath this plug of wax. So we're sticking with the suction, just trying to loosen this off. Just behind, you can see that kind of grey, sort of blue tinge in the background. Again, that's the eardrum. So again, we've got to be very, very careful in this area. And I'm hoping that's going to remove and pull forward the remainder of this plug. Here we go, there we go. You can just see it all kind of detached from the ear canal wall. Excellent. Yep, so we've cleared the blockage. There's little bits kind of left here and there in the ear canal. So you can see this bend in the ear canal is very, very prominent. So it's actually, the eardrum is sitting a lot lower in the ear canal. So it's quite difficult to get a full view around that corner. So we've got the fine end on here, just trying to clean up these little bits that we've got left in the ear canal. Again, trying to avoid the ear canal walls, as it can in this area be quite uncomfortable for the patient if we do actually touch the ear canal wall. So we've got to be very, very slow and careful here. I've still got a little bit that's just kind of hanging on for dear life there. And we're just, again, slowly peeling this away. Here we go. Okay. So that was the first ear completed. Those tiny little bits of skin that you could see there, we've left those where they are. As you've probably seen from our previous videos, these little bits of skin, as they're still holding on, when we're trying to suction them away, they can clarinet or make very, very loud kind of whistling noises, which can be really uncomfortable, not just for the patient, but for us as well sometimes, because it is quite loud. Now, same story on the other side. There is a little bit of a gap above the wax here on this side. So we're sticking with the suction here in a hope that we can, because we've got space above the wax, we've got room to lift. So I'm hoping suction is going to be enough here. Here we go. So we've already detached this plug. There's a little bit more just left there. So again, starting from the bottom, trying to lift and detach this plug. This again is very, very deep into the ear canal. Oh, is this going to all come away in one go? Here we are, the bottom's starting to unstick, the top is starting to unstick. Can we turn this around slightly so we can get the whole thing? Oh, it's just broken little bits away. So I've obviously decided to go for the Rosen inserter again, but again, we're not going too deep here. We're going to just try and nip over the top of this wax, turn the Rosen inserter into the wax, and try and just gently pull. But what you'll see there, as what can sometimes happen with these slightly softer plugs, with the Rosen inserter being so thin, it can sometimes just tear a little sort of channel through the center of the wax. So we've actually moved it slightly. Now I've swapped tools. We've got the Jobson Horne in here this time. Now Jobson Horne, again, great for this type of wax, especially when there's a little gap above the wax. So we've got some space for movement. So again, nipping over the top, just then, not so much flicking this forward, but just trying to slide this out of the ear canal. Pulling it forward, nipping back again, trying to get further behind. Here we go. Excellent. So we've managed to, I think, remove that whole plug in one go. Excuse me, guys. Excellent, there we go. So you can see nice and clear there, we've managed to remove that plug, luckily all in one go. So that was before, this is the after shot, and we've got about an inch here, just over an inch, about 3 centimeters roughly, removed from the patient's ears, hearing so much better. So guys, again, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the page, leave us comments. We do read them all, but we try to answer some of the questions for you. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.